FCI sensor installation and VeriCal procedure demonstration. The system consists of an FCI Flowmeter equipped with the VeriCal option and a separate VeriCal kit. Sensor installation and thermal Flowmeter principle of operation. A typical process connection consists of a ball valve attached to the process pipe. Shown here is an ideal installation using a double block bleed valve. The sensor assembly connects to the double block bleed valve and the packing gland is loosened. The isolation valve opens and the sensor is inserted through the valve so that the sensor is located at the pipe center line. This illustration shows how dual insertion rods provided on meters with greater than 50 psig pressure control insertion and retraction of the probe while the process line remains under pressure. The packing gland is tightened. The sensor consists of two matched RTDs, each located in an all-welded thermal well, one of which, the active RTD, is heated. The sensor measures the difference in temperature between the active and reference RTDs. The cooling effect of the gas is dependent on both the gas velocity and the gas density. The differential temperature is therefore a function of the gas mass flow. The temperature of the gas is also monitored and used in the mass flow equation. VeriCal procedure. The packing gland loosens to allow the sensor to be retracted back through the valve. The valve closes to isolate the sensor from the pipeline and the vent valve is opened. The verification equipment required is the test gas, nitrogen, and the connecting hose, which is user supplied, and FCI's VeriCal kit. The kit includes a pressure regulator, a digital pressure display, and a hose connecting the meter to the VeriCal kit. When the regulator is open to a predetermined pressure, a specific flow rate is delivered to the sensor thermal wells through a sonic nozzle. The ST110 responds to the flow of test gas and registers a specific flow rate. The flow increases as the regulator opens to the next pressure setting, and the ST110 registers this higher flow. Each ST110 is supplied with a VeriCal baseline test certificate for 25, 50, 75, and 100 psi. The customer can therefore compare his readings to the factory certificate in order to verify that the sensor is within its factory calibration parameters. The test gas vents to atmosphere through the vent valve rather than enter the customer's pipeline. The sensor can then be returned to service. The advantage of FCI's VeriCal system is that it provides on-site accuracy compliance without costly and time-consuming transportation of the Flowmeter to the factory for calibration recertification. For more information, please contact your local FCI representative or distributor or contact FCI's sales department.